What up guys, Josh with Juniper Overland here. I am super excited today because today we're going to run you through one of our biggest 4Runner builds to date. We've built this 4Runner to be fully remote and fully off-road capable. We have gone through everything on this truck, top to bottom. We've done Magnuson supercharger, re-gear, full suspension, all the camping modifications to keep this customer in the backcountry for as long as they want to be. Let's get into it. All right, let's start with the front end of this rig. We put a C4 Overland bumper on the front. We outfitted the sides with all of the Diode Dynamics lights, light bar. We have up on the roof rack as well from up top Overland. This has a 10S winch from Warn, and then we did RCI skid plate package throughout the entire underbelly of this truck. Suspension on it is the ARB BP51 kit, and then we did C4's OTF fender kit for this as well. We also outfitted this with an SAE on the bumper so that this customer can add an additional solar panel for charging the battery while parked at camp. We have aftermarket headlights, a snorkel for your water crossings, and clean air intake on those dirt roads. Let's pop the hood and show you guys what we've done under here. We'll start on the engine. We added in the Magnuson supercharger to give this truck a bit more oomph on the highway and off-road. We've installed our dual battery system with a Red Arc 1240 DC to DC charger, went a little more oomph than the 1225 that normally comes in our kit. So we can charge the 135 amp hour Dakota lithium battery that we put under the hood here, powering all the components in the rear. For cable management and keeping everything clean, we've gone with the tray from our friends at Power Trays. We have 2 Garmin switches that control all of the lights, air compressor, and every other accessory that we've added to this for off-road. For the 33s on here, we kept the stock rims. We went with RCI sliders, and the gears on this, we have gone up to 4/8/8. We use our friends East Coast Gear Supply. They build the third members for us. We do the swap. Let's jump into the cockpit. We'll show you guys what's in the front seat. Front interior, we have run additional power to the dash to run the comms and navigation system that this customer is running. Underneath the seat here, we have done the Desert Does It bracket with an ARB twin compressor. The air chuck is plumbed right here for easy access, able to fill all 4 tires quickly with that ARB twin. For the rear lighting on this, we have done the diode C2 lights on both sides for camp light. We have C2s down here for reverse lights and some underglow. In the rack, we have Baja rock lights from up top Overland. These will give us side lighting while at camp. On the side mounts, we have propane, water on both sides. With the C4 dual swing out bumper, we have spare tire mount, we have high lift jack, and max tracks for recovery. We have additional fuel in the red roto packs as well. All right, we have our C4 Whittle Ladder to get up to our rooftop tent. We've also done a Wolfbox aftermarket camera, so full-time camera up on the top here, so you have full view while you're still driving. We have the trailed 14-gallon water tank in the spare tire location. We have also plumbed a fill right here out of the way, just so there's easy access to that tank. In the back, we have a full cabinet system from Air Down Gear Up. That is a local company that makes some awesome stuff. We have our 60-liter National Luna fridge. This is a fridge freezer combo. We have a 2,000 watt inverter from Red Arc over here for running bigger appliances, things like that. And then we have a Blue Sea below deck down here off to the side for running fridge, charging cell phones, small devices like that. And then tons of molly panel and storage for additional gear. Everything you need to be fully off-grid for long periods of time. For our camping creature comforts, we have the Alu-Cab Gen 3R tent on the roof. We have a 200 watt solar panel up there from Red Arc. These come pre-wired for solar, so all that's running underneath the tent going to our dual battery system. We've got the shower cube, which we've demoed in other videos if you want to see that opening and closing. We also, on the other side, have the Alu-Cab 180 awning for the 4Runner. For this one, we also did the top storage tray with the slide out table, just for having that prep surface and more gear storage up on the roof for travel. All of this is mounted to the up top roof rack. Let's pop the tent open. We'll show you guys what's inside there. This is the Alu-Cab 3R. In this one, we have done some interior upgrades. We've added in the drop-down table for hanging out in here, as well as the backrest, allowing you to sit up while you're inside the tent. I'm 6'2", and I have no problem sleeping in a tent this size. I have more than enough room for my feet down at the wedge, as well as headroom for pillows. Great thing about these tents too is you can keep all of your bedding in them. So pillows, blankets, everything doesn't need to come in and out all the time. These are also going to come standard with a LED light up in the ceiling for light inside the tent, as well as USB and 12-volt outlets for charging small devices in here while you're sleeping in the tent. These are also pre-wired for solar. All of that is running through the casing down to the back, where we can use an Anderson plug to go into our power system. These are dual lined canvas, so they are great for your 3-season camping. These also have a rain fly on the back here, as well as you can set up on either side depending on where you set up your ladder, but really great for getting in and out of it if it is raining. The nice thing about this rain fly too is it'll roll up and get out of the way, so it isn't just hanging out all the time. These tents are super versatile, built well, it'll last you years. All right guys, that's our 4Runner build. We appreciate you tuning in. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. And if you want to see a full detailed list of all the components and everything we've put into this, go to our website and check out our blog. Thanks for tuning in.